We'll guide you through how to speed up a video in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and import the video you want to edit by clicking on the Import button at the top left corner. Once your video is in the media library, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To speed up your video, click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. You will see a toolbar in the top right panel. Click on the Speed button, which looks like a speedometer icon. This will open the speed adjustment settings. You'll see a slider labeled Normal that you can drag to the right to increase the speed. As you move the slider to the right, you'll notice the percentage of speed increase, which shows how much faster your video will play. If you want a more precise speed adjustment, you can manually enter the speed percentage by clicking on the number next to the slider and typing in your desired speed. Pay attention to the preview window to see how the changes affect your video. Once you're satisfied with the speed, click OK to apply the changes. If the audio becomes distorted, you can mute it by clicking the speaker icon on the video clip or adjust it separately in the Audio tab. Finally, to save your project, click on the Export button located at the top right of the screen and choose your preferred export settings. Then hit Export to save your sped-up video to your computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.